Hi guys, so here is your lesson for Monday, May 11th. Today we're going to talk about homeowners insurance premium, so what you have to pay in order to get homeowners insurance. So, homeowners insurance premiums. The location of your home affects your homeowners insurance policy premium, which is the amount you have to pay for insurance coverage. So basically where you live factors into how much you're going to pay a year for homeowners insurance. And the type of house you buy affects your cost as well. The home will be assigned a number that reflects how fire resistant your house is and how close you are to a water source. This number is called your fire protection class. So basically, if you have the more unsafe your home is, the higher you're going to pay in homeowners insurance premiums. Okay, so if you have like a wood house right on the water, you're going to pay a lot because you're paying for flood insurance and it's a high fire risk as compared to a brick house that's built on the top of a hill. So here's a chart that shows you the categories for homeowners insurance. So you can see you have your brick houses and you have your wood frame houses, and that determines the fire class that you're in. We're going to use this chart to do our problems today. So really easy lesson today, guys. Number one, the replacement value of Marcia's home is $150,000. She has insured her home for 80% of its replacement value. The home is of wood frame construction and has been rated in Fire Protection Class 4. So just like we did in Monday's lesson, we always have to find the insurance coverage first that you're going to get on your home. So let's find the amount of coverage. This is the same thing we did on Monday. We take the value of their home, which is $150,000, and we multiply it by the percentage of their coverage. So 80% is the same thing as 0.80. When you multiply that, you get $120,000. Make that a little clearer. So their home is insured for $120,000. Okay? Find the annual premium. Okay? In order to find the premium from this chart, we need to know three things. Okay? The construction of the house is wood. It's in Fire Protection Class 4. And the insurance coverage is $120,000. Three things we need to know. What is it built out of? What class is it in? And how much is it insured for? So I go to my chart. We know that it's wood. So we're looking here. Okay, everything in this box here. We know that it's class 4, so it's somewhere in this column here. Okay, 1 to 6. And they're insured for $120,000. So I go over to my amount of insurance coverage and I go down to $120,000 and I go over, and here's my column. $381 is their insurance premium per year. And that's it. No other calculation needed. So that's what they're paying per year to have their home insured. Okay, $381. Sometimes people choose to split that up and pay a monthly bill. So if I were to divide that by 12, you'd be paying $31.75 per month. Okay, but this is per year. 2. The Smiths own a wood frame home in an area rate fire protection class 1. So it says wood home class 1. Their two-family home has a replacement value of $250,000 and is insured for 80%. So find the amount of coverage, just like we've done. The home is worth $250,000. We multiply it by 80%, 0.80. Okay, and you get $200,000. Okay, is what the house is insured for. The amount that you're going to pay for the annual premium, okay, is going to depend on what is the house built out of. It's built out of wood. What fire protection class is it in? Class 1. And it's insured for $200,000. So let's go to our table. It said wood, so I'm still looking in the same category here. I'm going to erase my markings from before. We're looking in the wood category. We're looking in fire protection class 1, so we're still in the same column. And it's insured for $200,000. So $200,000, class 1. So your annual premium is $662 a year. Alright, one more, and then we're done for today. The Quicks own a brick home that has a replacement value of $375,000. They purchased a homeowner's policy for 80% of its replacement value. They live in an area rated fire protection class 9. And it said brick home. I missed that. Okay, find the amount of coverage. Again, the insurance coverage equals the value of the house times the percentage. 80% is 0.80. And you get $300,000. So the home is covered for $300,000. So if you have damages that are totaling $400,000, you're only getting $300,000 from your insurance company to cover it. You're going to have to pay $100,000, the difference. B, find the annual premium. How much do you have to pay for this insurance per year? Well, we know it's a brick home. It's in class 9, and it's covered for $300,000. So let's go to our table. So this time it's a brick home. So we're looking here. Okay, it said it was in class 9. So we're looking in this column right here. And it's covered for $300,000. So I'm going to go all the way over to class 9. And I go all the way down, and here's my number. So $1,147 is what they pay per year. Alright guys, the assignment for today is very similar to what we just did, the last 3 problems. Take a look at it. Let me know if you need some help.